Archaeologists using drones have discovered more than 25 geoglyphs etched in the coastal deserts of southern Peru near the Nazca Lines. Most of the newly found geoglyphs, which include figures of a killer whale and a woman dancing, appear to have been made by the Paracas culture as long ago as more than 2,000 years, hundreds of years before the Nasca people created similar giant drawings nearby. The interesting topic is that on the slopes next to these figures, we have identified new figures, mainly anthropomorphic motifs that belong to a time before the famous Nazca Lines. We're now talking about a tradition of making geoglyphs that began approximately around the 500 BC, that is, at the end of the development of the Paracas culture, when they began to draw a series of anthropomorphic motifs on the hillsides. Many of the so-called Papa lines were carved into hillsides. We find the figure of a monkey and a woman who is known as a dancer. The monkey and the dancer. This figure belongs to the Tupara culture for more or less between 200 and 1 BC. The geoglyphs are considered archaeological enigmas as no one knows for sure why they were drawn or so large and for so long. Before we were able to do the topographic survey in an area like this, we could take weeks if not months, and the cost was very high. Now we can do that same work with much more precision within minutes. The geoglyphs was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994.